Welcome to our journey through the heart of the Lake District. Today we're stepping back in time with a nostalgic ride on a classic steam train winding through the breathtaking countryside. But that's not all, we're topping it off with a quite wet and windy boat cruise across Lake Windermere. So sit back, relax and let's embark on this unforgettable adventure together. It was a quick journey, Zoe?
Very quick, I wasn't expecting it to be that quick.
No? We're now at Lakeside and we're going to go up here, I think.
Say hello to the gentleman.
Hello.
How do you fancy that?
So Zoe, the tourist day continues. We're at Lakeside in Windermere and we're hoping to get maybe a steamer? Little boat trip. So what's happening, Zoe?
We are getting on this boat here.
Yeah.
And we're going to Bowness.
Nice.
And then we've got to get a certain boat back.
Yes.
Get the train back.
Yeah.
It's like race across the lake.
Yeah. You know, if you're watching this race across the world, we'd love to do it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
On behalf of Windermere Lake Cruises, I'd like to welcome you on board the motorist turn. Windermere is the largest lake in England. It's 10.5 miles or 16.9 kilometres in length, a mile or 1.6 kilometres at its widest, and up to 220 feet or 67 metres at its deepest. We're northbound from Bowness and we'll be arriving in around 35 minutes.
Oh, smell that food. Oh, I can smell. I smell like I've just landed on a Mediterranean shore. I can smell like garlic and basil. And I'm just hungry. Thank you. That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Enjoyed that.
Yeah, really good fun.
So that whole journey we've just done, including the train and the boat trip here and the boat back and the train back, has cost us about £25 each.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which is really good value, I think. Really good. There's that Glebe Park. Let's have a look over here, Zoe. We're just looking for somewhere to finish our coffees, out of the crowds, and then we're going to go and explore. Don't know how well you can hear that on there, but for us it feels like the whole place is thundering. It feels so cool. Fourth one today. It's very, very busy here. There's traffic everywhere. People are struggling to park, so it's so nice coming on the boat because you don't have to worry about parking or anything. But even on a sort of wet, cold day like today, it's still really busy here.
Should we go up to the right or to the left?
You choose, Zoe, left or right?
Left.
Okay, left. One day, Zoe, this is where we'll be staying. You know, we'll stick to our shepherd huts for now, you know. But, you know, if you want to help that progress so we can stay here, just like and subscribe. Where are we, Zoe?
We're in the magic ride.
Yes? We're off the right? Way back to the boat, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm full now after that dinner. So we took the turn on the way here, T-E-R-N, and we're taking the Swift on the way back. Thought we'd try out the different boat, and it is raining quite a bit. So let's get warm. Let's get warm on the Swift, Zoe.
Cozy on the Swift.
Yeah. Jeez! It's a bit wet out here. Oh, very, very wet. He don't mind. He's loving it. Oh, I'm getting back in. So that's the boat we arrived on earlier, and that's just pulling in ahead of us, the turn. And we are about done. So, how did you like that trip on the way back? Which boat did you prefer?
The first boat.
I preferred the first boat as well. It's much quieter. You don't feel the motion at all.
Less people.
Yeah. We should have got on the turn.
We should have gone on the turn, and we should have like paid some cards downstairs.
Yeah.
It's like a saloon.
Thank you. Cheers, guys. But yeah, if you enjoyed this trip and you fancy a little Lakeland adventure, we'll leave links in the description to all the places we've been. But yeah, we've got a few more days here, so we may make another video, another Lakeland video.
Maybe a mountain walk or a walk.
If your car is at Lakeside, Bowness or Ambleside, you're in the wrong place and you need to get off. And if you don't get off, once you arrive at Haverthwaite, it's a very, very expensive taxi ride all the way back up or a very cold long swim up the river. So the choice is yours. If your car is at Haverthwaite or Newby Bridge, you're in the right place. This is Lakeside, Bowness, Ambleside, whack whack, jump off. Okay guys, cheers now, bye.
So we're going to kill a bit of time, play some cards, playing some gin rummy. It's 2-1 to Zoe. So thanks for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you click that subscribe button and watch some of our other videos. We've got loads of crazy adventures on there, so check them out. See you soon. Bye. Oh, careful, sir.